Hi everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. Today is going to be a short video. I'm going to show you all a place which is close to my heart is Ipoh Perak Malaysia. I am on the way going to a shop which is in Old Town Ipoh, and I'm going to reach there. So I thought to share with you all the video, and it's going to be a short video. I just shoot because there is a raining at that time, and also the road was quite busy, and I want to show to you all how it will be on weekends. Right here got many type of shops, restaurants, and many more. So share with me. If you've been visit Ipoh Perak Malaysia, if yes, do a like to this video. So yes, that's all for today. I will meet you all in another video, and I will shoot some videos in Ipoh Perak in future because they got a lot of attraction at Ipoh Perak. So it will take some time for me to visit those places and share it with you all. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Rose Favorites. Take care and bye.